A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica versus game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. He don't know what that. About do Mr. Kapalat, you don't know that.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica is giving you another reaction. Ooh. Today, guys, today we teacher, yeah, man, Vybz Kartel himself with Victorious. Yes. Scatter production this. We also see Scatter forward out and make a declaration to say this song was recorded up in March, I think he says, March 7th or something like that, he must say. So this have nothing to do with the current happenings that were going in a dance hall. No. So I'm gonna jump into this and see where the king has said, man. Let's go, man. Also, why isn't this song uploaded on the teacher's main YouTube channel? Why is it on the topics with 500 subscribers? We don't understand that. Why going away, sir? Scatter, I'm gonna fix that now, please. Let's go.
Fresh and touch out on the end.
Whopper.
A guy that me ever met. Nothing on my way on the challenge. Yo, Scatter. We done special on me read bad. Second is a girl and none of man that's on me roll. Heavy metal. Plain but
This is one old school beat from Scatter. I know say once an old school Kartel I go fuck you up like always.
fresh and
Touch out on the end.
a guy that me ever met. Nothing on my way on the challenge. Yo, Scatter. We done special on me read bad. Second is a girl and none of man that's on me roll. Heavy metal. Plain but me move crime. Me quite dirty. They tell me no left it by. Look at me greatest weapon. Live in the sky. So me never depend where you depend. Fully focus me now. We just half second. Enough of them pull up like sheep out a leopard. But them can't do me nothing. Remember say me say God. Talk how you want that.
Oh, sick lad. Yo, teacher, profit in a dog. You're the man of profit in a bro.
We done special on me read bad. Second is a girl and none of man that's on me roll. Heavy metal. Plain but me move crime. Me quite dirty. They tell me no left it by. Look at me greatest weapon. Live in the sky. So me never depend where you depend. Fully focus me now. We just half second. Enough of them pull up like sheep out a leopard. But them can't do me nothing. Remember say me say God.
The man said enough of them pull up like sheep, but a leopard them. Them a leopard, them change them spot. Them not real to the thing. And that the top. Yo, big up yourself, teach.
Fresh and
Teacher!
A guy that me ever met. Nothing on my way on the challenge. Yo, Scatter. We done special on me read bad. Second is a girl and none of man that's on me roll. Heavy metal. Plain but me move crime. Me quite dirty. They tell me no left it by. Look at me greatest weapon. Live in the sky. So me never depend where you depend. Fully focus me now. We just half second. Enough of them pull up like sheep out a leopard. But them can't do me nothing. Remember say me say God.
Alright.
How you want talk? My money talk for me and no bar talk.
Lad. Go and talk one talk, brother. Bullshit walk and money talks. Go and talk go on. My money talk for me. And a bar talk and a rum talk and a shop talk this, bro. That's how the teacher tell us to write us up. Big up yourself, team.
Big up yourself. Talk how you want talk. My money talk for me and no bar talk. God open up the door and say fi go and walk. Walk past werewolf, walk past shark. Go and draw card like Hallmark.
Walk past werewolf, walk past shark. Go and draw, yo.
Walk past werewolf, walk past shark. Go and draw card like Hallmark. My focus on my goals to the end. A million miles in front of them.
The focus for my goals to the end, a million miles in front of them. Like me say, obviously this song was recorded up in March, but this song, I talk about everything basically what's happening now. So it look like Kartel they see them thing here forward, bro. And what a timing for Scatter release it. Scatter ain't easy in that.
Focus on my goals to the end. A million miles in front of them. Tell the devil him can't hold me again. Give them love when I hear them send.
Yeah, man, I bear love me I give them, man. I bear love. Kill them with love and kindness. But guess what? I bear hate them I send my way. Cause what? Them are dirty, them are corrupt. Black heart. Black heart.
Give them love when I hear them send. My focus. No bad mind, no classes, no locos. The robust. Yeah, me victorious. If I no money you attack, no call me. Me a work for your legendary status, Marley.
Yeah, man, that the G I work for. Yeah, if I no money, bro, no call me, bro. No call me. Me I work for your legendary status, Marley. Like Marley, yeah, Palmer them have up there, so like Marley, legacy. So even when him dead and gone, him legacy still a live on. And I pass down to him kids them. Just like how Bob Marley gone, and you know, say the Marley them still there, a rep. So I that him a talk about legacy. Yeah, focus.
If I no money you a talk, no call me. Me a work for your legendary status, Marley. Marcus Garvey or Moa me darling. Juggy Park never see you come and ask swing derby. Me want a penthouse in Abu Dhabi. Here gyal look me and see them a crab me.
Me want a penthouse in Abu Dhabi. Yeah. Be a girl look me and see them a crab me. Teacher, fuck everybody up. Yo!
Me want a penthouse in Abu Dhabi. Here gyal look me and see them a crab me. As a one burner, me tell her calmly. Me no frightened fi punani.
As a one burner, me tell her say, yo, listen, me no frightened fi put on. Me been there, me done that. Me been there, me done that. Yeah, check your track records.
As a one burner, me tell her calmly. Me no frightened fi punani.
Nah.
You want talk? My money talk for me and no bar talk. God open up the door and say fi go and walk. Walk past werewolf, walk past shark. Go and draw card like Hallmark. My focus pa my goals to the end. A million miles in front of them. Tell the devil him can't hold me again. Give them love when I hear them I send. My focus, my focus, my focus. No bad mind, no crosses, no locals.
None of them.
The rock bust, the rock bust, the rock bust. Way down special, I'm a read bad. Second is a girl and no man, so me roll.
Heavy metal.
Plain but me move, cry me, quite dirty that.
You know what that song remind me of? Him sang him I say, me fuck gal in her pussy, me no got the back door. No live with the top floor. Me have a bag of gal that nice till I add more. Similar to when another up in the ad store. Voila, man!
Me no left fi buy you, God me greatest weapon. Live in the sky, so me never depend where you depend. Fully focused, me now waste half second. Enough of them pull up like sheep but a leopard.
Yeah.
Them can't do me nothing, remember say me say God. Talk what you want talk. My money talk for me
And a heart talk.
God open up the door and say fi go and walk. Walk past werewolf, walk past shark. Go and draw card like Hallmark. My focus pa my goals to the end. A million miles in front of them. Tell the devil him can't hold me again. Give them love when I hear them I send. My focus, my focus, my focus. No bad mind, no crosses, no locals. The rock bust, the rock bust, the rock bust. Yeah, me
Kartel!
victorious.
Yeah, man, big up the king of dancehall, man. Not pussy. That's what the G tell the writer said. No pussy, yes. It's quite ironic, says Scatter choose to release a song and know when time the happenings are going in a dancehall. Eh? What a bumbuckler time in Scatter, you know, easy the dog. Yo, teacher, big up yourself, bro. Always big up yourself. You don't know, say, I just treat positivity when it comes to the teacher, bro. Like, teacher, just do it, bro. Teacher do it, like, and enough of them young artists have to just take a page out of the man book, like, and just do it like the G, bro. Like, just do it like the G. Like, when you can't go around it, fam. Like, one time I phone a time, but now I teach a time. So just make the man do him time, bro. Just make the man do him time. You see, it's funny, you know, cause when the teacher did their prison, the man never fights for do cartel time at prison. But as soon as the boss come out, I want to do bumbuckler. I want to do him time as the king. Una fight with the king. That the man I said, bro, stop it, dog. Stop it. If you come down. Let me know what you think, but I want to do. I want to bad. But yeah, it needs to depend on teacher main page, though, dog. I serious. It needs to depend on the main page. I don't know what they're about, but yeah. Let me know what you guys think about this one, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
Right now, I want $1 million US. I'm a man vice of the real artist progress. I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real artist represent.